Well, I'm epileptic, and so my teeth have gone through lots of damage. I've had veneers, I've had crowns, I've had partials, and ultimately had full load implants when I came here. I so appreciate the care, the time that's given to answer all of my questions. I had to have some extractions done, and I healed in temporary dentures until I got my permanents. It's the best investment that I've made in myself. I don't hesitate to smile, I don't hesitate to eat what I want to in public, and I just am so thrilled to be able to carry on my life as normal. I can't recommend Dr. Jones enough. He's thorough, he's competent, and he really cares about us being able to be comfortable in our new happy smiles.